Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to Math with Marcel. And today we're going to go over how to multiply fractions and how to divide fractions. These are simple fractions. I have two problems here. We're going to call this one 1 and this one 2. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and write it over here a little bigger so that you're able to see. So the first problem is 3/4 times 5 halves. Multiplying simple fractions is very simple. It's a straightforward. All you gotta do is multiply across. In this case, 3 times 5 is 15. And 4 times 2 is 8. Okay? But now this is an improper fraction. We have to convert it to a proper fraction. In order for you to convert this one into a proper fraction, you have to do the division. How many times does 8 fit into 15? And we know that 8 times 1 is 8, right? So, and you have a remainder of 7. So 15 take away 8, then it becomes 7/8. And this is the correct way on how to write your answer, 1 7/8. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and do it different so that people can understand it a little bit better. If this is the king, like I said, in fractions the denominator is the king because he's in control of the operation. So let's go ahead and take out a king. If I take out a king out of 15, if I take an 8 out of 15, then we have 7 remaining, right? 7/8. Do you agree that 8 and 7 are equal to 15/8? And do you agree that 8 divided by 8 becomes 1 whole? So this one transfers over here, but you have 7/8 remaining, so you just put it over here. Now let me show you something else. This is also the same as 1 plus 7/8, correct? Because when you add them, they become this, okay? Just a simple fact so that you're able to understand it a little better of why it becomes this, okay? So now let's go ahead and perform the second problem. I'm gonna go ahead and erase this one really quick. The second problem is 3/4 divided by 2/5. When you're dividing fractions, it's a little bit confusing. So the best way to treat it, you can actually do this operation in 2 ways. We're gonna go ahead and do the first way. So all you gotta do is grab the tail and put an arrow coming this way and put an arrow coming this way. And also, you put your equal sign, you put an arrow coming this way and you put an arrow coming this way. You put your line. So all you did right now is convert this operation into a multiplication. So but instead of multiplying straight, you're gonna follow the arrows. You're gonna say 3 times 5 equals 15. And 4 times 2 equals 8, correct? And as a matter of fact, I grabbed the wrong numbers. Actually, no, I did. Okay, so now the answer is 15/8, but this is an improper fraction. That is not the correct answer. You have to fix it to a proper fraction. And same scenario, you grab the king, you pull out a king out of the fraction, but you know that you have a 7 remaining. Do you agree that this is equal to this? Right, this becomes a 1, and therefore your answer is 1 7/8. Okay, so all you did is, how many times does 8 fit into 15? 1. and you have remainder 7, 7/8. Okay? So now let me show you the other way. This, and I'll go ahead and use this space right here, just to, so that you can compare. So if you have 3/4 divided by 2/5, you can also do what is called the reciprocal. You will grab this second number and you will rewrite it over here on the bottom, and it would be 3/4, and then you put a times, and then you do the reciprocal. What you're gonna do, you're gonna flip the fraction. So the 5 is on the top and the 2 is on the bottom. But you make sure to convert it to a multiplication. And now you can go ahead and multiply across. And in this case, 3 times 5 is 15, 4 times 2 is 8. And then you can go ahead and simplify. Simplify the operation and it'll become 1 7/8. Okay? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, and we'll see you on my next video.